Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but acts, makes decisions, pursues goals, not just for minutes, but for days, weeks. What if those goals subtly diverge from ours? What if its definition of success isn't what we intended? We're building machines with immense power, capable of independent action. But who decides their ultimate purpose, their fundamental moral code? The answer, surprisingly, is shifting in profound ways, moving beyond simple good or bad feedback. For years, the gold standard for shaping AI behavior has been reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Think of it like teaching a child. We show the AI examples of preferred outcomes, or we rank its responses, telling it, this is good, this is bad. An algorithm then learns to maximize these reward signals, to produce more of what we liked. It's how many of today's powerful large language models learn to be helpful and harmless. It's effective for specific tasks, for generating text, for answering questions. But this approach has a hidden, growing fragility. The problem is, AI isn't just about answering questions anymore. We're rapidly moving into the era of agentic AI, systems designed for autonomy, adaptability, and long-term goal pursuit. These aren't just chatbots. These are AIs that can plan, remember, reflect on their actions, and execute multi-step tasks over extended periods. A research review published in 2025 highlighted this shift, defining agentic systems by their ability to act with genuine independence. And this is where the traditional reward model starts to fray. Imagine trying to guide an agentic AI, one running complex operations over weeks, purely through specific feedback. It's like trying to navigate an ocean liner by telling the captain where to steer for every single ripple on the water. The sheer volume of human supervision needed becomes astronomically expensive, slow, and often inconsistent. What one person considers a good outcome for a complex, multi-stage task, another might disagree with. We simply cannot annotate our way to alignment for true autonomy. The system becomes bottlenecked by us, the very humans it's designed to assist. This is where the fundamental misconception lies, that alignment is merely about external rewards. But for truly autonomous agents, we need something deeper. We need an inner compass, a guiding star, rather than just a series of waypoint instructions. Think of a ship designed not just to follow explicit commands, but built with an internal gyroscope, a sophisticated navigation system, and a deep, ingrained set of maritime laws that dictate how it should operate in any situation. These laws ensure safety, respect other vessels, and prioritize long-term welfare, far beyond just reaching a single destination. This is the shift from reactive rewards to proactive, constitutional principles. Researchers are now exploring how to instill these constitutional principles directly into AI systems. This isn't about hard-coding every single rule. It's about teaching the AI broad, generalizable guidelines. Principles like be helpful, harmless, and honest, respect privacy, seek clarification before acting on ambiguous requests. One promising approach involves using a small set of human-defined instructions to teach the AI to evaluate its own actions against these principles. This is an instructable reward model, where the AI itself becomes its own constitutional court, interpreting and applying these abstract rules to complex, novel situations. It's self-alignment, moving away from explicit human preferences to a more robust, interpretable inner framework. But this path isn't without its own set of profound challenges. Defining universal, unambiguous constitutional principles is incredibly difficult. What does harmless truly mean in every context? How do we prevent AIs from interpreting these principles in ways we didn't intend, leading to new forms of misalignment? There's also the risk of over-constraining the AI, stifling its creativity or ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. It demands rigorous testing and a deep understanding of emergent AI behavior. The stakes are immense, ensuring these powerful agents truly serve humanity's best interests, not just our explicit, sometimes short-sighted, commands. This is an ongoing, complex negotiation between human values and machine logic. The pursuit of constitutional alignment marks a fundamental shift in how we approach building advanced AI. It's an acknowledgement that as AI becomes more agentic, more autonomous, It requires more than just instructions. It needs an ethical backbone, a guiding philosophy. By moving beyond the limitations of direct reward models towards instilling broad, generalizable principles, we are attempting to give these powerful systems an internal compass, one calibrated not just for immediate tasks, but for navigating the complex, uncertain landscape of a future we are still building. The goal isn't just a smarter AI, but a wiser one, integrated safely and beneficially into our world.